At RightStep we believe that everyone should own a business. However, for many new entrepreneurs, it can be difficult to figure out how to start a business and to know exactly what kind of business will be the best choice. It's tough to find that perfect idea. Let alone, develop a business plan from scratch, develop a product that meets the market's needs, create a business model to attract and win customers, and learn where to network. To this end, we have developed business startup kits from the best business ideas and provided startup tools for you to start a successful business. Each kit contains a business idea that has been thoroughly researched and is profitable, that you can start today. Each kit contains a business startup video and checklist, an industry-specific business plan, marketing plan and financials. We certainly can't promise that your selected idea will succeed according to your expectations. Your success will depend on your effort and skill. But having built many successful businesses for over 25 years, we have enough experience to tell you things at the start of your journey that can save you thousands of hours and missed opportunities later on. Visit https://rightstepstartup.com/index.php/business startup kit.